We're on an adventure traveling across the country to South Carolina to surprise a lucky winner with an extreme PC makeover. Last month, ASUS ROG launched the Valentine's Day edition PC makeover contest looking for a special couple that's deserving of a PC. Ultimately, our team picked this couple, Amanda and Grayson, who live here in Lake Wylie, South Carolina. Grayson put together a really cute video about his love Amanda. Here's a sneak peek.
This is Amanda. We both recently graduated from college. We found ourselves playing a lot more online games together. This is her current setup, but is struggling to keep up with the processing power needed for modern games. The star of the show has to be the duct-taped Amazon headset. I knew it would be the perfect opportunity to create this video and show her just how much she means to me.
Amanda's been gaming off of an old ROG STRIX laptop, so this is gonna be a great upgrade. And we're doing it all. A new gaming PC, a set of peripherals, a monitor, a chair. Now, I've gotten a chance to talk to the couple a few times on the phone, but this is gonna be my first time meeting them in person. Hi.
Oh my,
Hi.
hello.
Oh my gosh. I come bearing gifts. Thank you.
Oh
Congratulations,
my
guys.
Thank you so much.
That's not all. There's more to come.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So you guys ready to get going on this thing?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Follow me.
I heard you had a dog.
He's somewhere. He might be hiding up here, but he's pretty shy.
Yeah, he's a little
What kind
quiet.
of dog do you have?
A Lhasa
A Lhasa
It's like a Shih Tzu.
So before we get started, just tell everyone who you are.
So my name is Amanda,
I'm Grayson.
and we met working in the mountains.
Mountains of where?
North Carolina?
Yeah.
Blue Ridge Mountains. It's been 2.5 years that we've been together now.
All right, so show me this setup that you have, because I know that you're working off of a laptop.
So here is my setup in all its glory.
Okay.
So this is my work MSI laptop.
We won't say that name.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
There's ASUS. There's the ROG Scar 2.
With lots of things
Yeah.
hanging. What is all this?
I have my mouse that's plugged in, my keyboard, and then my beautiful designer headset with duct tape.
Which I heard you fixed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she broke it at one point, so I just slapped some duct tape on it. And
So definitely in need of a new headset.
Desperately. And then you can see my Walmart brand gaming chair.
It doesn't seem to really fit
Oh,
under your desk, which
no.
I know you work from home, so that's got to be uncomfortable.
So professionally, I'm a project designer for a residential design group, and I use programs like Revit, AutoCAD, Inkscape, which are pretty graphic demanding when you start rendering these 3D house models. Currently, my laptop is seeing its end of days as of now. It's struggling.
All right, well, we are going to transform this whole space, and here's your CPU. This
Thank
is their
you.
first component. Intel sent us their i9-14900K.
Thank you, Intel.
Are you ready to see the rest of your components?
I'm
Yeah.
ready.
What a way to spend a Friday evening. You ready to build this PC? Here is the
Oh
rest
my
of these
God.
components.
Wow.
Only the best from ASUS ROG.
And as usual, it's beautiful. Here we go. Crunch.
Your first CPU, you
Amazing.
did it! Winning this PC, what does this mean to you?
It's kind of like a stepping stone for my professional career as well, because I'll be able to download these more demanding programs. I'll be able to overload my models and make it more of an experience for my client. And relationship-wise, this means I can do anything.
We can play so much more together now.
So I have a question. You got the email saying that you won. So
Oh.
how did that go down?
I got the email at like 2 in the morning. All of a sudden I get this message from some guy. He's like, congratulations, you won. And I'm like, this is a scam. Like, there's no way. I open it, I'm reading through it. It sounds legit. I mean, it's asking me for some personal info. When I actually realized we won, that was like a huge relief.
I'm gonna get the case, don't look, okay?
I'm not looking.
Your case is behind you.
Oh
my
my
gosh.
god.
Oh, this is so cool. Inside it says start for those who dare. Game on.
So you mentioned that your dad built you like an ASUS ROG PC.
Yeah, so back in 2016, my dad built me my first ever tower. He's a huge ASUS fan since before I was born, honestly, because he's been building computers all his life. He got me really into computers because I used to watch him play games and my brother, and I was like, This is awesome. I have to join in. I've been saying it all week. I'm like, ASUS is coming. Get ready. If I could have like my perfect setup, either an all white build or like a panda build, because I just thought aesthetically it was like so beautiful. And then I started looking at price tags. That's what led me to the panda. So it's like, maybe I can mix and match between the black and white components. Nothing really came out of that because we've been, you know, looking for a place to settle down as well. So there's been saving up for that. After college, you know, just adjusting as well. So that wasn't really in the picture.
It's a new way to apply thermal paste. It's the lover's edition. Cut. Okay, actually, we cleaned it off, applied it the right way.
Yep.
It's just like icing a cake.
There we go. Ready? Boom.
Oh my gosh, that's magnetic too.
I know you've been very excited about this. You have never touched the 4000 series card?
No.
This is your first? Okay, well, I'm gonna leave it to you to open it together.
Very good. Oh my god. It's
Those
gorgeous.
fins.
It's gorgeous.
Tell me a little bit more about the games that you like to play.
I like to play League of Legends, Pal World now that it came out, which is awesome. The Witcher 3, but I haven't been able to get as much into The Witcher as I would have liked to been, because the games that I'm now interested in versus when I just started gaming are a lot heavier and more demanding on my laptop, and I haven't been able to get into them because my laptop's screaming for help.
Okay, so the last thing left is just to attach the GPU cable.
These are nice.
Cable Mod sent those extensions for your build to kind of match the whole aesthetic.
Cable mod.
Well, we're not gonna power it on just yet because I wanna first transform your space and then we'll do like a final reveal. But I do have one more surprise that I didn't tell you about.
What is it?
We knew that your desk wasn't really gonna be strong enough to support this
that?
Oh
new
my
setup.
god. What is
So
that?
ASUS arranged for IKEA to send you their gaming desk.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
That's like twice the size of what she has.
So now's the time where I say, Amanda, we're kicking you out. Grayson, you're gonna help though, right?
Yeah.
All right, Grayson, that's all you're gonna see. We got the rest. Out of here. All right, Amanda and Grayson, the time has finally come. Excited?
Super excited.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go check out your new rig.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Wow, it's so clean.
Where'd all the cables go?
It's gorgeous.
We have to do the peels.
Oh my god. There we go. Look at that.
Nuts.
It's all synced. Hey Dad, come check this out.
Okay.
This is her in all her glory.
Wow.
Isn't it gorgeous?
That thing is insane. That is amazing.
And then look how nice. Feel the mouse, pick it up.
Oh wow,
it's
it's like
so
a
light.
featherweight.
Yeah.
Okay, good. You can leave now.
I'm getting kicked out already.
Wow,
So
that
you
thing
can
is
see,
beautiful.
You can see the wattage. And then look, even the back panel right there, Glenn. For those who dare. And then look at this. There's a secret compartment.
Cool. It's
And-
quiet too.
Super quiet.
Okay.
Now I'm ready to game.
I was thinking, no PC is complete
Is this actually
without a ring.
Oh, look it, it's branded.
ROG branded ring. just for you. It was sized
Oh my
a little
God.
larger.
No, it's
But-
perfect. It's perfect. It's everything I ever wanted.
So we want to give ASUS ROG a big thank you. Until next time, bye.
Bye. Thanks, ASUS. Thanks, Kingston.
Intel, cable mod.
Mod.